Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anamika, and in this video I'm gonna create Priya Warrior look, as she is on the trending list everywhere, whether it's on YouTube and Twitter. So I thought to create her look, as it's a very subtle kind of a look with a wing liner and almost brown nude lips. She's wearing studs on her one ear, which is very classic, and she's having side pony with half of her front ear open like this and a simple ponytail like this. You can wear it in your day-to-day college life, as she's a school student, so her makeup is really minimal. I'll be using only a lightweight foundation, no much contouring or nothing. I'll be using only little bit of highlighter and blush on my cheeks. So I hope you like that look. And before starting with the video, if you're new here, please do subscribe below, so you'll get notification whenever I'll upload any video. And I hope you like this look. So if you like, please do comment in the comment box below. I would love to hear your comments below. And please, I'm not copying her, I'm just doing for fun. And I really liked her look, as her eyes are very expressive and that expression. So I'll be focusing mainly on the eyebrows, eyes and lips. So I hope you like this look, and please keep on watching.
Felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. 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 Damn.